Commuters who use the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC's buses may soon have to pay more to use the service. This as the cash-strapped company has put in a request to the government for a revision of the current fare structure.
In an interview with our news center, Managing Director of the JUTC, Paul Abraham, said the state-owned bus company has approached the Ministry of Transport seeking a new fare structure.
Yes, there is a need for a fare increase. I would say successive JUTC management have all lobbied for an increase. And we are no different. We have made representation to our parent ministry for an increase, and we're hoping that we'll get some results out of that shortly. We have sent various scenarios to them, a combination of a fare increase along with subsidy. As you know, we are in discussion with the ministry on that, and we'll see what the results will come from that.
The request for a fare increase comes in the wake of a report in Parliament last week projecting that the bus company will rack up a $7 billion loss during the 2018-2019 fiscal year, which begins on April 1. The report tabled last week by Finance Minister Audley Shaw also projected that the JUTC will suffer a $3.1 billion loss during the current fiscal year. During the new fiscal year, the JUTC's fuel bill is expected to increase by $1.1 billion to $3.6 billion, while it will have to fork out an additional $500 million for the repair and maintenance of its buses and depots. Mr. Abrams explained that one of the contributing factors to the spike in losses is the competition from illegal transport operators.
Some of the expenses that we are facing right now are, along with the aging fleet, which is requiring high cost of maintenance, fuel, etc. Those are some of the components that are heavily weighed on our budget right now. We are trying to keep everything as tight as possible. Our expenses are running parallel or below our budget. However, it's a challenging operation with the competition that is out there, the illegals and the other forms of alternate form of transportation.
He also added that the JUTC will be implementing some medium to long-term cost reduction strategies.
We are implementing a time and attendance for greater control on overtime and accountability for salaries, etc. A tracking system, and that will be able to control driver behavior and help with maintenance as we go along. Accident investigations to control our personal injury situations and damage control to vehicles outside. So we are operating in the best capacity that we can, but we are challenged with a number of issues that do affect our operation.
Herman Green, TVJ News.